Na jaji mkuu wa zamani Willy Mutunga na mwanaharakati wa haki za kibinadamu Maina Kiai wamekashifu idara ya polisi kwa visa vya utekaji nyara vinavyoendelea kushuhudiwa humu nchini. Akizungumza mjini Mombasa, Mutunga alimsuta Inspekta Jenerali wa polisi kwa kujitenga na uhusiano wowote na utekaji nyara, hivyo kutilia shaka iwapo uchunguzi utatekelezwa ipasavyo.
The key one, for example, is where the courts have said the police must not wear those hoods, and they should have their identities, their numbers or whatever, clearly for the citizens to know actually whether they are the police. Okay. Then there is the ongoing question, why is the government not respecting the Constitution? Why is the government not respecting the Constitution? And when you look at the oath of office of everybody who works in that government, that's what they actually ask God to help them respect, the Constitution.
A regime can be so callous and so cruel and so bitter with its own people. Because when young people go and demonstrate, whether you like it or you agree with it or not, the right to protest is a right. We don't have to agree with what they're protesting about. But when you go then and start killing them, snipers on the roof, killing them, and then when you go back and use the media or use the phones to find their details and you abduct them.
Katika juhudi za kuongeza uzalishaji wa mboga na matunda humu nchini, wakulima wa mazao hayo mjini Thika